Hello everybody, welcome to MK Quilts. I am MK and this is
Ellen.
And I am the shop owner here at MK Quilts. We are a full service quilt shop in Florida and we are happy to be partnering with Deb Heatherly on her next mystery. So Ellen is also my chief creative officer.
Yes.
So she has done some picking of you for our kit offering. So Ellen, take it away.
All right, so I couldn't choose, so I came up with 3 options for the kit for the winter mystery. So we have honey lavender, so this kind of really deep charcoal and these golds to go with it. We have halcyon, so these really brilliant blue fabrics. Again, the kit requires 2 darks and an accent. And then I'm calling this purple because it was a whole mixture of different purples with a really fun little accent. All 3 of these will be against a white for your background. And then we are including binding as well.
All right, so I think this was really a great idea of Deb to give you options of shops to shop around at and for us to be able to pull some things together. So that takes a little bit of the stress off of you. So Ellen, how do they order from us if they so choose?
Right, if you love our fabrics, as you should, right? We are going to link in right below us in the description the link to the product so you can go directly to our kit and purchase from us.
Awesome. Well, I am just thrilled that Deb reached out to us. I actually have her Ultimate Flying Geese book right here. Inside of it is my personal ruler, a lot of her handouts and such that I have gathered over the years. And of course, this is one of the main tools for the mystery. It's my absolute favorite ruler. And so yeah. We have all of this in stock. Ruler, well, the book I'm not sure, but we could definitely get more of the book.
Yeah, we've made a lot of quilts out of that book.
Yeah, you don't necessarily need the book for the mystery, but it is a wonderful book. So, okay, what other tools do you have there, Ellen?
The other ones that were recommended that we do carry are the GE ruler stickers. You know, you get 3 sheets of little arrows that they last forever. We've got a couple color choices. We use these for practically everything.
Yeah.
all of our projects.
Well, Ellen, your fabric choices are beautiful. I'm actually looking at a little bit of the preview that Deb sent us as shop owners. It's a lovely quilt, and any of these colorways would be lovely for your project. So I hope that you will check around on our website. If this is your first time finding us, please look around, come back, and shop often. And right over Ellen's left shoulder is a really small little sign. I do want to end this video mentioning that we are Handy Quilter retailers, so that's another thing that we do here in our shop in Florida. And if you're ever in Florida, come and see us. We would love that. Have a fun, great time with the mystery. Deb's mysteries are always really great, really well run. And we look forward to you shopping with us and seeing the pictures of your project. Have fun, and that's all we have for you today. From MK Quilts to you. Happy quilting, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.